My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups related to the site adblockertool.com. So some people see these pop-ups by adblockertool.com. Obviously, these pop-ups are fake, and their purpose is to trick users into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions that may instead operate as adware. So if any unwanted extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of them by accessing the menu, Settings. Then in Settings, click on Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. And carefully research the sites allowed to send notifications, so remove any junk sites if you find them. Some of these sites could also promote such strange pop-ups. To remove any extensions that are not really decent, access the menu, More Tools, and then click on Extensions and Manage Extensions. So disable and remove any unwanted extensions. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.